My name is Adam Stemley. I'm the president of Lazy Boy Healthcare, New Comfort. Most people don't realize that Lazy Boy Incorporated founded a separate healthcare furniture division in 1971. So we have been producing healthcare specific product for the last 54 years. In 2005, Lazy Boy Incorporated sold what they had called the Lazy Boy Contract Furniture Division to a family in southern Indiana. So we are family owned, privately held, and we are engineered, designed, sourced, and built in the United States. We have two manufacturing facilities, one that's in Mississippi and one that's in southern Indiana. And our design center and headquarters is based in Ferdinand, Indiana. We have been BIFMA level certified. We are Green Guard certified. And since we meet the optional credit of BIFMA 7.4.4, we have registered and started the registration process with Green Health. We are also registered with the FDA on all of our medical devices. As sustainability is such a big part of our organization, all of our metal components are 100% recyclable material. We are a certified Title V company listed as a small generator of VOC emissions. We meet and exceed all EPA standards for limiting hazardous air pollutants. In addition to using components and recyclable material, we go the extra mile of having our own foam factory, as well as wood dimension plant that takes extra steps to make sure that everything is recyclable, responsible, and that we are being the best steward we possibly can when it comes to sustainability.
Hello, I'm Tyler Winholt. I'm the Vice President of Design and Development at Lazy Boy Healthcare, New Comfort. We source all of our wood products from domestic, local, sustainably sourced forests that are logged by trained loggers. Generally, we'll use soft maple and poplar hardwood. All the sawdust, all the scrap that we use is a byproduct. It's a waste product that a lot of people would kind of disregard. We like to use what we can. So we have vacuums throughout the plant that suck up as much sawdust as we possibly can. So all that scrap is going up into our Leydig bin. We have a wood-fired boiler system in the facility. It runs 24/7, 7 days a week. It's creating steam for us that we use throughout the plant. The steam and the heat, we pipe over to our kilns. In the winter months, it gets cold, so we will pipe that heat and steam throughout the plant, and that's what we use to heat the plant in the winter months. We create a lot more sawdust than we can burn in our boiler. So we've got relationships with several organizations, farms in the area that will come and collect what scrap that we don't use that is available to use in the bedding of their poultry organizations. In some of our scrap material, we have small chunks that would otherwise go into our grinder, but within a chair, we've got corner block, small rectangular pieces that we use to make the chair structurally sound that would otherwise, if we would design it in a different way, we wouldn't be able to utilize those small pieces. We use a particular type of pallet that we produce ourselves. It's just another way to use up some of the lumber products that we've got going through the plant. All in all, though, we try to reuse, as much as we possibly can at the Jasper organization.
Hello, my name is Daryl Galloway. I'm the division manager at New Foam and Fabrication Plant. We manufacture seat cushions, backs, anything that goes into the furniture. We receive foam in every week. The foam usually comes on straight trailers or compression trailer. We roll compress the buns, which takes the bun and rolls it up into like a little 30-inch tube. Then that tube is cut open. It slowly comes back and recovers. We usually allow it to recover for 24 to 48 hours, depending on the density. That allows it to grow back like it's supposed to and give us the perfect density it's supposed to have. And then that gives us 70 bales on a truck instead of the 12 to 30 bales on the regular conventional way we used to get it in. So that helps out considerably on freight and not having all the fuel burning and everything to bring the stuff to us. Carries several different styles of foam, different IODs, different densities. One of the things we take pride in is our efficiencies on our materials and how we capture all of our scrap and turn it back into other parts, or we recycle it into carpet cushions, foam for seats for tractors, for motorcycles, dog beds, you name it, we recycle it right back through. All of our fibers get reused back into raw materials. They can put 10% back into the materials, and then the rest of it gets recycled into other pillows and stuff for fab shops and other places or whatever. We do recycle everything in our plant, papers, plastics, you name it, we turn it right back into either furniture or into other product goods, so nothing gets thrown away.
In addition to the foam and wood dimension plants that you just saw, and what we do to make sure that we are recycling and being a good environmental steward, we also incorporate disassembly instructions on all of our products so that when the healthcare products reach the useful life in the healthcare facilities, there are instructions there on how they can break the products down and complete the life cycle and recycle all of those components, all of those materials, and make sure that everything is put sustainably in the right place. Sustainability has always been a core pillar of the organization, so you'll see more from us in the future in regards to what we're doing, the scale of the operation as a whole, and how we want to prove that we're going to be environmental stewards as we have and for as long as possible to continue to evolve for now and into the future.